Alright guys, welcome back. May 19th recap video. Let's hop right into the markets. Today was wild. Let's take a look. We ended negative. Dow down 390, SPY 291, the Qs 226, the DIA 242. Overall, it looked promising today. If you take a look at the Dow, we did hit green a couple times and it looked like we were about to hit new highs. SPY opened up lower, it gapped up, went down, and then just kind of traded sideways, and then we had this final push here. Everybody right about this point in the Discord was super bullish, and then we had this big candle here, look good, and then got bought back up, and we're like, shit, what the hell just happened? And then boom, that happened, and we capitalized 25% on the stim account. 1567, we're almost at $1,600. We went balls deep today. Couldn't go any more balls deep. We went 100% of our equity into the QQQ puts that we did. We bought these right about in the morning time. Let's take a look at the Qs. Bought these right about 229.40 was roughly the price entry. However, we bought them, we made some money here, and then kind of started losing money, and then we didn't see a profit till somewhere around here. Over here we were kind of break even, a little bit less, and then finally we cashed out close to $400 on the Qs. We bought them at the money, 229 put. We paid 240 for them, and I sold them out 309. So we made close to 350 bucks on those plays as well. We got rid of the Walmarts at open. That was a good play as well. What about here before it went negative? This was salvaged my Walmart call. That was around 19 cents. We bought it around 40, so we saved half the money. It wasn't a day trade, so I took it. That being said, it just went down over and over, and we got the targets right about at open, so somewhere right about here. And then overall, target was a good play as well because it did end negative as well. That being said, the stim account cash, beautiful. It's the way I want it. It don't matter what the futures do. It don't matter what the market does. It doesn't matter what headlines come in. We're gonna start 9:30 fresh. If you're not part of the Discord, the link is below. Join the Discord. My Instagram's there as well. That being said, guys, I'm excited. We're finally somewhere we can make plays. Like I said, don't be shocked when I go all in. I go all in a lot, and when I go all in, a good example is on the Discord, a lot of guys, when the Q started to fall in, they started taking profits. I didn't take profits. Matter of fact, I took profits at the very end, and I should have waited another 5 more minutes because the stim account would have been close to 2,000 if I did. But the risk was too high. The reward was too little at the time. And I'm like, okay, this could definitely shoot up any moment. The VIX was falling, so I had to make a decision right away. I decided to get out of them. Before I even decided to sell them, I gave the order. So everybody got filled at different prices. Some people got a little bit better. Some people got a lot worse. But I know a lot of guys jumped the gun too early, and this is why I said only a few of you guys are gonna make the 100K. That I can promise. Not everybody is gonna make it. The ones that are gonna make it is discipline. Discipline is key. Money management is key. Risk management is key. 200 people on the Discord, everybody has different opinions, right? Everybody wants to do different things. I understand. I don't always make the best calls. I'm not upset that you got out early or that you made more money. It's up to you. It's your money. It's your risk. Do your own due diligence. I just post my plays, and you guys can play however you want to play it. But that being said, tomorrow's game plan is we open cash. Like I said, it doesn't matter what the markets do. It can go sideways. It can go neutral. Doesn't really matter, And if we take a look at more of a technical chart here on the Qs, right? We were hitting almost 230 here, and then we had this flush here, right? This was huge, and then it got bought back up. I was like, shit, we should have cashed out here, right? Then I'm like, wait a minute. Did some research, was looking at the news, and I'm like, wait a minute, this is going to sell off. This is no way it's going to go back to the highs again. And then we basically sold out right about, where did we sell out? I believe, let's zoom in here. We sold out somewhere, I believe it broke 228. We sold out somewhere right about here, I believe we sold out. So we left this much on the table, all right? So we did leave money on the table. However, it could have went the other way, right? You saw how this got bought over here. That being said, we could have had the same bought right over here as well. It could have just went and shot up back to where it was. It has happened. How many times have we seen the next 5-10 minutes before market close, it goes up? However, the sentiment has changed. The virus vaccine bullshit with Marana, whatever the company's name is, they it's shady. 8 people got treated and some bullshit. Can't really rely on those news, but the market bounced 900 points on that news. It wasn't just that. The market was already trending higher. I believe, if I'm not mistaken, when the futures market opened, we were somewhere around 400 points above at green. And then the markets opened and went all all the way up to 1,000 points on the Dow, which is crazy if you really think about it. Take a look at the 1 week chart here. We somewhere around here, right? Markets open at 9:30. Look at this big gap over here. There's a 3% gap. That is unreal that we actually had that on the Dow, considering that we're almost at all-time highs. We broke all records. At this moment, I'm thinking, okay, it's really choppy here, right? Goes down here, trade sideways a little bit, big gap down, and between the low and the high, this was a huge 7% move. That is huge. Within a week, this is the 12th and the 18th. Within a week, between Thursday, Friday, and Monday, we went up 7% on the Dow. You have to take consideration when you see stuff like that. You can't hop into calls thinking that this is the way to go because calls are easy, puts are hard, right? But guess what? Anybody who bought calls today pretty much got burned unless you took profits. And I highly doubt that most guys are not skillful enough to take profit on the calls. I don't want to play call because I know that this can happen any moment. All this can happen any moment. Why would I want to be in a call if the rug pull is bound to happen? All right, guys, stay focused, spread the news. We're doing everything we possibly can to make this happen. Regarding the stem account, we're close. $1,600. That means we got $600 to play with on a YOLO. I'm going to throw it. I will throw it on a Friday. On a YOLO, I'll do it again. I'll go balls deep if I have to. We will average down. We will make it work. Believe, guys, believe we will make it. All right. Do me a favor. If you watched the video through the end, drop me your watch list. Let me know what stocks you're looking at in the comments below, and I'll check them out, and I'll see you guys tomorrow.